Welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have show some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job is data analyst for Delhi location and salary is 35k to 55k. And this is part-time opportunity and the time is flexible time, and this is your job description you can see here, or and read this. And part-time is 32 week, 32 per week. Okay, and how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is junior data analyst. This is for the Gurgaon, Haryana location, and salary 3 LPA to 4 LPA per year. And this is full-time opportunity for fresher. This is your job, full job description, and this is your job and responsibility you can see here. A skill need like data analyst, business data analyst. Okay, and you have technology need advanced Excel, VBA, SQL, BI tools like Power BI. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Delhi location. Salary is 5 LPA to 6 LPA per year. This is also for fresher job, and this is your roles and responsibility here. A skill set need like this you can see here, and then you have apply on that. How to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore, Karnataka location, and salary is for 4 LPA to 14 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity for all, and experience need is 3 to 5 year of experience you have need. Okay, and this is your job description, and a skill need like Excel and SQL you have must need. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chandigarh location, and salary is 50k to 1 LPA per year. Okay, and this is for fresher and full-time and night shift. Okay, and how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Jaipur Rajasthan location, and salary is 30k to 40k per year. And how to apply this job? And this is full-time opportunity for fresher, and this is your qualification need. And in the business analyst you have need experience like 3 to 6 year of experience you need, and this is your skill set and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and fill the detail. And I have provide all link all apply link in a description box. Please check a description box. And the next job is from data analyst for Kochi Kerala location, and salary is 5 LPA per year. Okay, this is also full-time opportunity and morning shift is only, and this is your responsibility and all. And a skill need SQL, no SQL and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is assistant professor data analyst. This is for Jaipur Rajasthan location, and salary is 20k to 50k per year, and this is full-time opportunity. And there is your jobs roles and responsibility and all. And how to apply the job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for internship, and salary is not mentioned here, but location is Tamil Nadu and also remote work from home location. Okay, and how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is clinical data analyst. This is for Thane, Maharashtra location, and salary is 50k to 30k per month. This is also part-time opportunity, not a full-time opportunity. This is your job description and all you have read here. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. And I have provide all apply link in our description box. Please check the description box and apply accordingly. Thank you.